Hi friends, today I'm showing you what the checkout screen looks like on our self-checkout computer. When you come in, you'll notice on the computer this should be the screen that is showing, and you have three options: checkout, check-in, or renew. At the bottom is a button called reset, and you will be using this to clear any activity that you've done after each action. And I will explain that as we demonstrate. So first thing, if you want to check out a book, you should be clicking on checkout, make sure it's on checkout, and then you are going to scan your barcode on your library card under the red light of the scanner. When you do that, your name should pop up. This is Dyson's name, and that's the card that I'm using right now. So once it pops up, you're going to either click on it using the mouse, or you can use the touch screen and just touch the name. As you can see here, Dyson has 2 books checked out under items out, and all of you can check out up to 3 books. So he is now ready to check out a 3rd book. I'm going to take that book and slide the barcode that says Birmingham or West Maple under the red light of the scanner, and now you can see under the words checked out, it has the next book. So now Dyson has a total of 3 books checked out. Since he is done checking out and ready to go back to class, he's going to hit reset, and now you don't see any of that information anymore, and it's ready for the next person that wants to check out. Now, I don't want Dyson to be upset with me for checking out a book under his name, so I'm going to check it back in and demonstrate for you what you would do when you first come into the library and you want to return books to the library. That means you want to keep them in the books, so you're going to click, or in the library. So you're going to click on check in, and then you're just going to scan that West Maple Birmingham barcode under that red light. And now the book I had checked out to Dyson is now checked in. Again, I'm going to hit reset. If you have more than 1 book to check in, you can check them all in at the same time and then hit reset when you're done checking in all of your books. Finally, the renew option. If you have a book that you want to renew, you're going to just click on the renew option and again scan your book barcode underneath the red light. Again, you'll hit reset when you're all done with that, and this is ready for the next patron. Notice it's on renew even though I hit reset. So when you come in, please make sure that you know what you're doing. If you're checking out a book, click on check out. If you're checking in a book to the library, click check in. If you're renewing, make sure you click on renew. Thanks.